Welcome to the 2020 Open Enrollment for FM Industries. This is your annual opportunity to review your benefit options and make changes if needed. Open enrollment only happens one time a year, and it's the only time you are able to make changes to your benefits. This is your annual opportunity to review your benefit options, make new benefit elections, add, remove, or change dependents. Open enrollment officially starts on Friday, November 1st and ends Friday, November 15th. Your benefit elections will be effective January 1st, 2020 and will run through the end of the year. Before we go into the benefit plans, let's take a quick look at who is eligible for benefits and when those benefits become effective. If you are a full-time employee working 30 hours or more per week, you are eligible for the benefit plans through FM Industries. For new employees, your coverage will be effective the first month following 30 days from your date of hire. Your eligible dependents are your legal spouse and your dependent children to age 26. Keep in mind, in order to cover your family members, FM must verify dependent eligibility. If you are adding a new dependent, you must provide documentation to complete enrollment. What do you need to do? Mark your calendar, review your plans and elections, sign into HR online and make your changes. If you don't do anything for open enrollment, your current choices, with the exception of FSA, will roll over to the new plan year and will remain in effect until the end of the 2020 plan year. If you wish to enroll in a flexible spending account or independent care for 2020, you must re-enroll. We encourage you to review your personal information and also your life insurance beneficiary for the current designation. Things you should know about this open enrollment are that this is a passive enrollment, which means that you are automatically re-enrolled in your current elections unless you make a change. If you do not want to make changes to your medical, dental, and vision benefits, then no action is needed. However, if you want to be enrolled in the FSA plan, you must re-enroll for the 2020 plan year. FSA enrollments do not carry over from year to year. If you choose to waive medical coverage, you will be eligible for the FM opt-out plan and will receive $150 per month. You must log into HR online to select the optional medical opt-out and confirm your selection to receive the monthly opt-out credit. Outside of open enrollment, you can only make a change if you experience a qualifying event, such as a birth of a child, adoption, marriage, or spouse's change in employment. If you do experience a qualified family status change, you need to report these changes to HR within 30 days of the event. This is a snapshot of the benefit plans available to you in 2020 that we will be reviewing. There are a few benefit changes for the 2020 plan year to note. The HRA administration for the Kaiser HRA plan will be changing from Pension Dynamics to Kaiser in 2020. Employees will now pay a contribution to be enrolled in the VSP Vision plan. The Voluntary Life and AD&D plan will be open for enrollment during your open enrollment period. If you've never enrolled in the Voluntary Life plan before, you will have the option to enroll up to the guarantee issue amount. If you are currently enrolled in the Voluntary Life plan, you will have the option to increase your election by up to $20,000 for both you and your spouse. Here are the 2020 monthly contributions. Please note they will be effective January 1st, 2020 through December 31st, 2020, and are deducted on a pre-tax basis. FM Industries offers two different medical plan options through Cigna. The Open Access Plus in-network plan allows you the option to choose your healthcare providers and does not require referral to see specialists, but you must stay in the network. Out-of-network services are not covered. There is no deductible on the OAP in-network plan, and the out-of-pocket limit is $3,000 for an individual and $6,000 for family. Office visits are a $25 copay, and preventive care is covered at 100%. On the Open Access Plus plan, you also have the option to choose your healthcare providers and does not require referral to see specialists. Out-of-network services are covered, but you will have higher out-of-pocket costs. When you stay in-network, the deductible is $500 for an individual and $1,000 for family. The out-of-pocket maximum is $3,000 for an individual and $6,000 for family. Office visits are a $25 copay, and preventive care is also covered at 100%. When you enroll in the Kaiser Deductible HMO plan with an HRA, FM Industries will provide an annual contribution of $2,500 for single coverage or $5,000 for family coverage. On the Kaiser plan, you must stay in the Kaiser network. The out-of-pocket maximum is $5,000 for an individual and $5,000 for family. Office visits are a $20 copay, and preventive care is also covered at 100%. Kaiser will be replacing Pension Dynamics in 2020 as the new HRA administrator for the Kaiser HRA plan. What does this mean for you? The biggest change is that you will no longer need an HRA debit card. When you go to a Kaiser facility for services, simply present your Kaiser member ID card when you check in for your visit. No payment needed. After your visit, Kaiser will automatically submit a claim on your behalf for payment from your HRA. Once the claim is approved, your portion of the cost for services will be paid directly to Kaiser from your HRA. When your deductible has been met, you will be responsible for copays and/or co-insurance for covered services. In some cases, you may be asked to make a payment at Kaiser. When this happens, you'll need to file a claim for reimbursement. With the HRA administrator moving to Kaiser, there are some aspects of the plan that will not change. First, there will be no change to the current funding. FM Industries will continue to fund your HRA in the amount of $2,500 for single coverage and $5,000 for family coverage. There is also no change to the annual deductible. The annual deductible will remain $2,500 for single coverage and $5,000 for family coverage. Lastly, you will be responsible for copays and/or co-insurance for covered services after the deductible has been met. What services are covered under your HRA account? You are covered for any medical service provided at Kaiser, such as an office visit, lab work, MRIs, CT scans, hospital admissions, and other medical services. Prescription drug copays are not covered with your HRA account. Keep in mind that you will have to pay out of pocket for all prescription drugs. How can you find out how much a service will cost? To find out your cost for services, you can use the Kaiser Online Estimates tool to get an estimate of what you will pay for a service. Go to kp.org/cost estimates to find out. Preventive care is always covered at no cost. If you are currently enrolled in the Kaiser HRA plan and have claims that need to be reimbursed from the 2019 plan year, you will have until March 31st, 2020 to submit any eligible unpaid claims to Pension Dynamics from the 2019 plan year. Any 2019 claims submitted after December 31st, 2019 will need to be submitted to Pension Dynamics manually, as the debit cards will be deactivated on January 1st, 2020. For the 2020 plan year, you will have until March 31st, 2021 to submit eligible unpaid claims to Kaiser from the 2020 plan year. Keep in mind that for any claims reimbursement that you file, you will need to provide supporting documents to show that your expenses are a qualified medical expense. FM Industries offers 3 different dental plan options through Cigna: a high and a core PPO option, as well as DHMO option. On a PPO dental plan, you have access to a wide network of dentists and are not required to choose a primary dentist. Both PPO options offer coverage in and out of network and cover preventive care in network at 100%, basic care at 90%, and major care at 50%. The PPO Core Plan has an annual maximum of $1,000 per year per enrolled family member and does not provide coverage for orthodontia. The PPO High Plan has an annual maximum of $2,000 per year per enrolled family member and covers orthodontia at 50% to a lifetime maximum of $1,000. If you or your dependents are in need of orthodontia coverage, you will want to elect the High Plan. On the DHMO plan, you must choose a primary dentist who is in the DHMO network. There is no coverage out of network. On the DHMO plan, different copays apply for services. Vision coverage is provided through VSP. On the VSP Vision plan, you are covered for an exam every 12 months with a $10 copay. If you need glasses, you will pay a $25 copay, which provides you with lenses, and a $130 frame allowance when you stay in network. If you prefer contacts in lieu of glasses, you are covered for the same allowance of $130. Prescription safety glasses are also available in addition to glasses or contacts for eligible employees. Safety glasses are fully covered with a $20 copay when you choose a safety frame from your VSP Doctors ProTech Eyewear collection. FM Industries provides basic life and AD&D coverage of one-time annual salary to a maximum of $350,000 at no cost to you. California State Disability Insurance provides a benefit of 60% for up to 12 weeks after an 8-day elimination period for employees who are eligible for state disability benefits. If your disability continues for longer than 90 days, you will be eligible for salary continuation under long-term disability, which provides a benefit of 60% with a max benefit of $6,000 per month. In the event of a total disability, long-term disability will provide a benefit to you until Social Security normal retirement age. While you can't predict life's unexpected events, you can plan for them by choosing benefits that can help protect your financial future. FM Industries offers the following voluntary benefit options that partners with your medical coverage to help you pay benefits when you need it most. Accidental injury insurance helps to pay for expenses associated with a covered accident or injury. Critical illness pays a benefit if the policyholder is diagnosed with a specific illness. Hospital care indemnity insurance pays a specific benefit for each day a covered person is hospitalized. Accidental injury insurance provides lump sum, fixed benefits for covered accidents. Benefits may be payable for initial treatment, ER visits, hospitalization, and follow-up care. It can also help you pay for out-of-pocket expenses that may not be covered by traditional insurance, such as rehabilitation, transportation, or childcare. Let's take a look at an example of how accidental injury can help pay for expenses. In this example, Huang falls while hiking and suffers covered injuries. He pays $10.84 per month for the Signal Accidental Injury Plan. Huang ends up paying $950 out of pocket for a visit to urgent care, a surgery, and physical therapy visits. However, the Accidental Injury Plan pays a benefit of $4,475 towards covered services associated with his injury and helps to offset the financial burden that Huang would have faced. Critical illness insurance pays a fixed, lump sum benefit if you are diagnosed with a covered condition such as cancer, heart attack, or kidney failure to help you focus on getting better. When you enroll in the critical illness plan, you choose your benefit amount, either $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, or $20,000. You also receive a $50 benefit each calendar year when you get preventive exams, such as mammograms, chest x-rays, and more. In this critical illness example, Javier suffers a covered heart attack and pays $1,200 out of pocket. However, the critical illness benefit provides him with a flat benefit of $10,000. Hospital care insurance pays fixed benefits according to a schedule when you have a covered hospital stay resulting from a covered injury or illness. You are able to use the benefit to pay for expenses related to medical bills not covered by your health plan, childcare, travel, and other out-of-pocket expenses. In this example, Rosa is hospitalized after a covered accident. The hospital care benefit paid for her hospital admission, 1 day in the ICU, and 3 more days in the hospital. The hospital care plan paid Rosa a flat benefit of $10,000. Life. Just when you think you've got it figured out, along comes a challenge. Whether your needs are big or small, your Employee Assistance Program is there for you. It can help you and your family find solutions that restore your peace of mind. You can call the EAP for counseling services, childcare, financial services referral, identity theft, legal consulting, pet care, senior care, and more. The EAP allows 6 sessions per issue per year for you and your household members. Video-based sessions are available as well. Cigna Secure Travel offers pre-trip planning, assistance while traveling, and emergency medical transportation benefits for covered persons traveling 100 miles or more from home. Assistance is simply a phone call away, 24/7, 365. In an emergency, you can even call collect. The Flexible Spending Account, or FSA, is pre-tax benefits set by the IRS, which allows employees to set aside a specific pre-tax dollar amount for unreimbursed medical, dental, vision, dependent care, and commuter expenses. In 2019, the maximum you can elect for the healthcare FSA is $2,700 per year. This could increase to $2,750 depending on the IRS regulations. Be sure to refer to the IRS guidelines for the 2020 annual maximum. The maximum you can elect for dependent care is $5,000 per year if you are married and filing jointly, or $2,500 per year if you are married and filing separately. The maximum you can elect for commuter benefits for parking and transit are $265 per month. FM Industries allows you to roll over up to $500 of unused fund into the next year. Your final date to submit expenses for reimbursement that were incurred during the plan year is March 31st of the following year. Don't forget, in order to participate in the FSA, you must enroll for each plan year. Here are some examples of eligible healthcare expenses. You can also find a full list online with Pension Dynamics. Child and dependent care is necessary so parents can work and can be a large expense for families as well. If you care for a child or adult who is incapable of self-care, who lives in your home and is someone you claim as a dependent on your taxes, then the Dependent Care FSA might be a great plan for you. In order to be eligible for the Dependent Care Plan, it is important to note that both you and your spouse must be working full-time or going to school full-time. The Dependent Care FSA allows you to set aside pre-tax dollars from your paycheck to pay for qualified dependent care expenses. $5,000 is the IRS annual limit per family for dependent care, so only you or your spouse should enroll to this maximum. Dependent care eligible expenses include daycare centers, in-home daycare, nanny, au pair, before or after-school programs for children under age 13, summer day camp, nursery school and preschool programs, elder care for dependents not capable of self-care. Keep in mind that funds in your Dependent Care FSA are use it or lose it, so be sure to budget wisely. Next, let's jump into the helpful resources available through our carriers and vendor partners. Kaiser provides several resources to help you take control and manage your HRA account. You can access your HRA account balance in several ways by going to kp.org/healthpayment, where you can view your balance, file claims, and view transaction history. You can also download the KP HRA Balance Tracker from the App Store or Google Play, or you can call Health Payment Services to access your account balance and more. Another helpful resource when managing your HRA is the Cost Estimate tool. You can find out what you will expect to pay for common exams, tests, and procedures by going to kp.org/cost-estimate. Kaiser offers a wide range of additional programs to help you manage your care and provide you with healthy resources. You can go online or use the mobile app to manage your care. Healthy resources are also available, such as discounted rates for members, healthy classes and lifestyle programs, as well as online wellness tools. You can also partner with a coach to help manage weight, reduce stress, increase your activity, quit tobacco, and eat healthier. The Choose Healthy program from Kaiser offers you discounts for fitness club memberships, chiropractic care, acupuncture, massage therapy, and more. The Kaiser Nurse Line is available 24/7 to help answer your questions and provide advice when you need it. Cigna provides great resources to help you manage your benefits. The Cigna Easy Choice tool is an easy-to-install, easy-to-use decision tool designed to help you choose the medical plan that's right for you. Answer a few simple questions, and then based on your responses, Cigna will rank the plans as best, next best, and good fit. The tool will also show you whether your current doctors are in-network. You can access the Cigna Easy Choice tool directly from HR Online. Cigna also provides open enrollment support. If you have any questions about your Cigna benefits, you can call Cigna directly at 1-800-351-9214. Language assistance is also available. Cigna also has a variety of programs available to you as well. The mycigna.com website and app make it easy for you to manage and track claims, find providers, review your coverage, and more. There are also digital engagement tools that put the power to improve your health right at your fingertips. You can get personal recommendations, track your progress, and more. WebMD coaching is also available to help you control stress, eat better, lose weight, and more. The Coach by Cigna app allows you to get personalized recommendations to help your wellness journey. The Healthy Rewards discount program provides discounts on the health products and programs you use every day for weight management, nutrition, fitness, and more. Cigna also offers a nurse line that's available 24/7 to help answer your questions and provide advice when you need it. The Strive Benefits site provides you with all the information you need to make an informed decision for open enrollment. On the site, you will find the open enrollment guides, carrier benefit summaries, and communications, as well as benefit videos. You can also access the site directly from HR Online. FM Industries offers a wellness program through Wellright to help you live your best life. At wellright.com, you can find education on nutrition, mental well-being, and fitness. You can also join monthly challenges, take an online health assessment, and track your progress online. Sign up for Wellright and join us for the November Wellness Challenges of 100 Thanks. Say thank you 100 times and go slow. Put your fork down. Health Advocate is an employee advocacy program that can help you find the right doctors, schedule appointments, resolve insurance claims, assist with elder care, answer your benefit questions, get cost estimates, and more. Health Advocate covers team members, their spouses, dependent children, parents, and parent-in-law. You can contact Health Advocate by phone or at healthadvocate.com/members. Don't forget, your FSA elections do not automatically roll over. You must elect how much you would like to contribute from your pay each benefit plan year. To ensure you make the most of your 2020 benefits, keep in mind that if you want to make a change to your medical, dental, or vision plans, you will need to log into HR Online to make the change. If you are happy with your benefits, you do not need to do anything. Your deadline to make changes is November 15th. If you are adding dependents, you will need to submit documentation verifying your relationship to benefits at fmindustries.com. If you want to enroll in the Healthcare FSA or Dependent Care FSA with pre-tax contributions, you will need to take action. These enrollments do not roll over to the next plan year. If you want to enroll or increase coverage in the voluntary life or voluntary benefits, you will need to log into HR Online to enroll. Check to ensure that your current address, beneficiaries, and emergency contacts are in HR Online. If you have questions, contact Health Advocate or log in to Strive Benefits site to learn more about your benefits.